If your text on this file is upside down like this, it needs to read right side up. Probably when you did this, you just rotated the object around like this and then typed in the text. What should have happened was tap the effects button, and this is also how you fix it. And then slide this until it's curved in the opposite direction. You can get an idea of how big it needs to be based on that purple circle. And then in order to move it down, I'm going to tap over here and click and drag this down. Make it a little bit bigger like this. That's running into the top part, and I don't really want it like that, so what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to pull it down here, tap on the effects again, and play around with this until it looks right. Notice at the bottom of the text that says Drone Club, you can see that purple line. That's about how big you want it, because it's about equidistant as the top text. Again, I'm going to tap away over here, then I'm going to tap on that text box again, and using the cursor keys on the keyboard at the lower right corner of your keyboard, I'm just going to tap it down a couple of times. I basically want to try and match this white space with this white space up here. So I'm going to tap this one and do the same. And then export it out again as a JPEG and resubmit it to Google Classroom.